Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future of Porsche, the hotly anticipated 718 Cayman EV. Buckle up, because this electric sports car promises to redefine exhilaration. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The 718 Cayman EV ditches the gas engine for a high-performance electric motor, likely producing around 400 horsepower, that's neck and neck with its gasoline sibling. But here's the kicker: instant torque. Unlike a traditional engine that builds power, electric motors deliver it all at once. Imagine pinning you to your seat from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4 seconds flat. Speaking of speed, Porsche claims a driving range of over 300 miles on a single charge, enough for a weekend getaway without range anxiety. Plus, with strategically placed fast charging ports becoming increasingly common, road trips are still very much on the menu. Now, let's talk looks. The classic Cayman silhouette gets a futuristic makeover. The front grille is mostly closed off, replaced by aerodynamic elements that optimize airflow. Sleek LED headlights and taillights further enhance the car's aggressive stance. But don't worry, Porsche hasn't forgotten its heritage. The sloping roofline and those iconic air intakes remain, instantly recognizable as a true Cayman. But the biggest change might be what you don't hear. The absence of a rumbling engine creates a whole new driving experience. Porsche isn't shying away from this, though. They're developing a unique soundscape for the EV that blends futuristic whirs with a hint of classic Porsche growl, a subtle reminder of the brand's DNA. Now, for the tech enthusiasts. Porsche is tight-lipped on specifics, but rumors suggest a dual-motor setup with one on each axle, enabling all-wheel drive for superior handling and cornering. They're also likely using an advanced battery cooling system to prevent overheating during spirited driving. One interesting feature to watch out for is regenerative braking. This system captures energy when you slow down, putting it back into the battery for increased efficiency. It's like having a mini power plant on wheels. So, what sets the 718 Cayman EV apart? Here's the deal: you get the thrilling performance and iconic design of a Porsche, with the environmental benefits and instant torque of an electric car. It's the best of both worlds, wrapped up in a sleek, powerful package. The Porsche 718 Cayman EV is a true game-changer. It proves that electric cars can be just as exciting and exhilarating as their gasoline counterparts. Whether you're a die-hard Porsche fan or an eco-conscious driver, this car deserves a spot on your wishlist. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the 718 Cayman EV. And if you're interested in learning more about electric vehicle technology, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos.